MTMI is a leader in imaging education, offering high-quality training for medical imaging professionals worldwide. My name is Brenda DeBastian, and I'm the president of MTMI. MTMI is a global company that has provided continuing education since 1989. We provide cross-training for technologists. We also offer continuing education for a variety of healthcare professionals. What sets MTMI apart from the industry is our leadership and the expert trainers that we have. Whenever you look at us, we are led by industry experts, and the passion that they have for the profession just shines through whenever they're teaching the students.
So MTMI courses help technologists stay apprised of all the new technologies out there by being current. All of our instructors are active working technologists who are working in today's imaging departments and are keeping up with the latest and greatest. And as the equipment changes, the need for education changes. And so we really have a wide variety of instructors who bring so many different talents and education and experience to what they provide for our students. So I think that's what sets MTMI apart. When you need education, you can find a 1-hour course to an 8-hour course or a 5-day course and get anything and everything you need. We provide 3 formats. Live and in person, which is really great for people who need to be able to ask a question in the moment and want to push pause for a second and make sure they have a good understanding of what's happening. If traveling and being away from home for a week is difficult for you, but you still want to have that live interaction of pause and clarify, then live webinar would be a good choice for you, where you're seeing and hearing everything we're doing live, but you are able to raise your hand on Zoom and put a question in the question or the chat box, and we can see that live. Very much a part of our class without having to physically be here. And then if that doesn't work because your work hours are long and you just need to be able to do evenings or weekends, then we have an online self-paced where you can purchase and you're watching pre-recorded videos, and you can pause it and you can take notes and you can rewind it and hear us say it one more time to clarify. And you still have the ability to send us an email if you're still not clear on something. So with those 3 ways of learning, it really is, fits for each individual person.
From entry level to advanced certification, MTMI is with you every step of the way.